Hello and welcome to this video. I will be drawing Jennie from Blackpink. I would like to say that the Ruby album was my absolute favorite album from the girls. Genuinely. Rosie has Not the Same, which I adore with every piece of me, and Lisa has New Woman. But in terms of composition and its entirety, I love Ruby. So my top 5 songs in no particular order. First one is Zen. I love it so much because nobody can touch this. Her aura, and it's testament to her career and how many times people have tried to touch her aura, touch who she is, but she is exactly who she thinks she is. And she's Zen and she knows it. And you can't take that away from her, no matter how much hate you throw at her for the most ridiculous things. She's exactly who she is. And she's exactly where she needs to be and deserves to be there. Because I think part of the reason they continuously try to take her down is because they're trying to prove that she's not worthy of the position that she is, but she is definitely that girl and is deserving of that damn crown of being the it girl in Korea and in K-pop. Yes. And then I also love Handlebars. It's an amazing listen, but for me, it's an incredible sing. I love singing the song. It's so sweet and it's so cute and so warm. I also love a mantra. I listened to it the first time and I just loved it. It's so Jennie coded because this, that pretty girl mantra, this, that flange, just touched down in LA. It's everything she needed to do and even more. It's gorgeous. It gave fashion, it gave vibes, and it gave trend. And then obviously like Jennie. And then I also like Start a War. Because for you, I will start a war. It's just sappy. It's really moody. I love the tone. I love it. Simply that. And then I also love Hangover. At first, I didn't really appreciate it, but it scratches an itch. It's very cutesy and very pretty. This whole album is very pretty, and I love it for that. I don't know how many songs am I in. I think I'm probably supposed to pick my last song. What do I like? So I have Like Jennie, I have Start a War, I have Handlebar, I've Love Hangover, Zen. Oh, I think those are my top 5. Anything else was great. It was the moment. And I listened to the entire album with no skips. Thank you so much for watching this video of my top 5 recommendations from Jennie's album Ruby. I hope you listen to it. I hope you enjoy it. Also hope you follow me on all my social media. Buy my art prints. I'm selling art, not just sharing it for vibes. We've been there, we've done that, and I would really like to start making money for all that I create.